Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these sparkly Halloween skull sugar cookies. You'll want to think through your design ahead of time and use an edible marker to draw where you're going to want the black recessed part to be. Once you've done that, take black piping consistency icing and just fill in those areas. To add some sparkle, I'm using my favorite diamond dust from the Sugar Art. Use piping consistency icing to go over the outlines and then go ahead and flood with 20-second icing. Once the icing has fully dried for about 8 hours, go in with your edible marker and draw on the spider web. I thought my skeleton was looking way too bright, so I took some petal dust that I got from Hobby Lobby and I'm just dry brushing that all around the edges. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching and for being here. It means so much to me. If you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I have another video coming out for Halloween in about a week, and then I'll move on to Thanksgiving. So we have some really fun designs coming up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.